Hello everybody, welcome back to another Bitcoin update. On this video I'm going to explain what's happening right now for the Bitcoin price. And guys, as you can clearly see, we have moved to the next candle here. As we discussed yesterday, it has already started in my last video, and right now you see we are exactly on the same position. We saw some slightly pump to the upside up to $70,250 around that area, and right now we have came down again at $70,125. And guys, you can clearly see that we're going to close this candle in around 3 hours from now, and probably gonna start another candle here, which I believe, guys, that we're gonna have a retest to this major support area of this rise wedge pattern that most people ignore, and they are going to get wrecked out because as I saw on the world YouTube, 80% of people opening big long positions. Guys, this is a very serious pattern, rise wedge pattern in the daily time frame. So on this video I'm gonna give you all the technical price targets of this rise wedge pattern, why I remain so bearish after this very bullish fall wedge pattern that pumped the price of the Bitcoin to the upside. And I was one of the first guys that I told you that this is a trap and nothing else more than that, and I'm gonna flip again to very bearish situation because I had told you that in this bear market situation that we're gonna have lots of pumps to the price, lots of ups and downs, which most of the case that those pumps are very big traps, because they confuse the people that this is the end of the bear market by a single pump, which is funny if you take a zoom out and look at the things from the fundamental side. So guys, also want to speak on this video for this resistance and support as we do every day. So if you would like to know where we're going, guys, on this current situation, you have to stay tuned until the end of the video. And before jumping to more analysis, let's smash 100 likes on this video, because with this way you support me so much. Continue this journey with a very simple process of daily like, daily comment, and share with friends. You actually help me so much to push this video to more people via YouTube algorithm, which helped me a lot, and appreciate you for this help from the bottom of my heart. A big thank you to all of you guys. I'm Chris, uploading everyday crypto videos teaching you how to make smart trades on the crypto market and stack that money. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to not miss any of my future trades. And let's jump straight to the daily time frame for the Bitcoin price to explain you what happened here. Guys, I was one of the first guys that I discussed you this big rise wedge pattern. Basically, I'm gonna put the 12-hour time frame, because if you remember, I told you that this forming better with the candles. So I'm gonna do the analysis on the 12-hour time frame, but it's a formation also for the daily. So you can clearly see here beautiful formation: A move, B move, C move, and right now with the C move we had some slightly pump to the price of the BTC, but we didn't touch this resistance for the third time, and right now it seems that we're gonna come with the C move to retest this major support line. And guys, I believe that we're gonna have a breakout anytime soon, because look at this. Here we're gonna move to the next candle in the next 12-hour time frame, and probably I believe that we're gonna have a little bit more dump to the price of the BTC. I'm gonna retest this $70,100 around this area. So we are in very crucial position, guys. Let's see what is going to happen. I believe that we're gonna have a retest here and probably a breakout. Expect if we're gonna see any relief pump to the upside and retest this major resistance for the fourth time, and then we're gonna actually see another rejection, another reversal to retest this major support line to a higher level at to $17,270, which, guys, I would, to be honest with you, I don't believe that we're gonna do all this kind of moves, because we're gonna get to retest this major resistance area. We need to get at around $70,480. So right now I don't think we have that much power to push the price of the Bitcoin to that high number, because don't forget that we have major resistance area, which, as you can clearly see on the resistance, is the $70,400, and also we have the $70,250. So it's really hard to, as you can understand, to surpass this major resistance to actually touch the resistance area for the fourth time. So that's why I believe that we're gonna have this kind of support breakout on this rise wedge pattern to the downside. So guys, right now I'm gonna give you the technical price target on this rise wedge pattern, which is really important, and I believe, guys, that we're gonna get there, especially if we're gonna break out all the support areas that I'm gonna show you in a just a few seconds. So you can clearly see here we're talking for a technical price target, guys, which is around $15,850. You can clearly see here I will put a red box, guys. This is the technical price target, and if you ask my honest opinion if I believe that we can get there, yes guys, I believe that we can get there 100%. And right now I would like to show you the resistance support lines, because I'm gonna show you exactly the wall path to get there. So as you can see here, after this pump that happened because of this fall wedge pattern that formed here in 4-hour time frame, we had get here to retest this major resistance of $70,250. We found big weakness here, guys, to surpass this major resistance area, and because of that we moved to the downside and we consolidated a little bit here. We have get again on another candle before 8 hours to retest this $70,250. We again found weakness, and right now we're moving to the downside as we're supposed to move. So it seems here that this resistance area is really strong, and my dissipation here is because we failed to surpass, we're gonna move to the downside. And guys, right now if we're gonna have the breakout of this rise wedge pattern, we're gonna probably have a big move, a big rejection instantly. And the problem here is that we have major support here, which is really strong, the $60,575, and this is gonna play a big role if the crash or a big rejection gonna be instantly, or we're gonna have some move like rejection, consolidation here, and another relief pump or sideways move for a couple 2-3 days here on this area with ups and downs, and then probably gonna have another breakout to the downside. It's gonna all depend how strong we're gonna see the move here. If we're gonna have strong breakouts to the downside, then we're gonna have big crash, probably under $60,000 instantly. Otherwise, we're gonna move to sideways, and then we're either gonna have any relief time again to $60,700 area, and again a rejection with a breakout, or either, as I told you, sideways move on this parallel support line. So let's say the scenario, the first scenario that I told you, with a breakout of this $60,575 support line, and we're getting to this another major support, guys. If we're gonna touch this support and we're gonna actually see a breakout, we're gonna get under $60,000 instantly. Every time that we're touching this support line, which is very easy to break out, because every time we're touching this support and we have always breakout, and always we're getting instantly to under $60,000. So you can understand that the biggest support here is this one. Here we're gonna have actually the hold of the price. On the second support, if we're gonna touch it and gonna break it, we're gonna have instant crash. So this is for the support and the resistance areas. Also to mention you this, the first resistance, which is the previous bottom, the $70,600, guys, is the first resistance here on the chart, which is the previous bottom of the June. And I had told you from the beginning actually of this current bear market, which is the under which we formed the new bottom, that as we are under this major resistance, I remain very bearish from the technical side. Okay, from fundamental side, I have been very bearish since 3 months that I have this channel. So you can understand from fundamental, I haven't changed yet from bearish to bullish. We need a little bit more months to come. Actually, I need to see some more things to happen to convince me that this is the time to flip from bearish to bullish. We need some Fed pivot. I need to see one more capitulation to happen. We need to see all these kind of things. Inflation rate dropping under 5%, and all these things actually gonna convince me that this is the time to go all in for the BTC, and we're gonna have building the bullish territory very slowly from the time that I'm gonna see those things. So this is what I would like to tell you from fundamentals. And here I would like just to show you something before I close the video. Basically, I will show you one more indicator plus this chart. You can clearly see here with a fall wedge pattern. The thing, guys, that I told you that I'm expecting an imminent dump to the price of the BTC, it was because of this fall wedge pattern. We had a breakout, which I had predicted very well. I told you that we're probably going for a trap to form here because we had this fall wedge pattern, which is bullish pattern. pattern. Okay, I don't neglect the bullish patterns as you have in your mind. I don't neglect nothing. I'm very clear to my predictions. We had here this bull flag, and the time, guys, that we dropped this bull flag, we broke actually the support line, and we saw reversal inside the flag, and then another breakout after 8 hours. We saw another breakout to the flag. It convinced me that this is the time that probably gonna have an imminent dump to the price, because otherwise we should retesting the resistance of this bull flag. If this scenario was going to happen, then I was probably being more bullish for very imminent short time frame, because as you know, I had told you that no matter what is going to happen here, I believe that we're gonna get again to the downside, because the fundamentals doesn't let me to believe that this is the end of the bear market. So until we're gonna see some signals, I remain very bearish no matter what. Right now, let's see on the daily time frame the most important indicator right now that most people ignore. That's flash me the next crash for the BTC. You can clearly see, and go every day, guys, on the daily time frame and check this MACD. The time that we're gonna see the orange line go above the blue line, we're gonna have an imminent crash on the markets. We're gonna have a big crash, a big rejection, not crash, a big rejection on the markets, and I believe that we're gonna have at least $500 between $1,000 distinct on the actually this bearish territory, and probably even more. So beware and be ready for this flip. It's coming closer. As I had told you in my last couple of videos, it's every day it's getting closer and closer, and in the next coming days, 4 to 5 days, I believe that we're gonna have a flip here. So be ready for this kind of a flip. As you can notice with the last flip, which I was expecting also, if you remember, I was telling you, I was warning you that we're going for flip, be ready. And the time that we saw the flip, we experienced this kind of huge crash on the markets. And right now, look at this. We saw this bullish territory building in. We saw some relief pump from $60,000, $50,000 area, $60,000 area, up to $70,000 area, and right now we're going for another flip really soon. So beware of that flip, guys. It's gonna play big role here. That's what I would like to tell you. Let me know down below in the comment section where you think gonna break this major rise wedge pattern. Do you believe to any relief pump to the resistance area, or you believe that we're gonna break out right now under 24 hours this major support line? I would like to know your opinion down below in the comment section, and see you guys tomorrow with my fresh updates. Until then, your boy Chris out. Bye.